How to use ChatGPT to write a meeting summary. To write a meeting summary in a better way, follow these steps. 1. Start with a brief introduction. Begin by introducing the purpose of the meeting and the attendees. 2. Outline the agenda. Provide an overview of the agenda, including the topics discussed and the order in which they were addressed. 3. Summarize the key points. Highlight the main points discussed during the meeting, including any decisions made, action items assigned, and key takeaways. 4. Provide details. If necessary, provide additional details on specific topics that were discussed. 5. Close with next steps. Conclude the summary by outlining any next steps, deadlines, or follow-up actions that were agreed upon during the meeting. Remember to keep the summary concise and to the point, focusing on the most important information discussed during the meeting. Use clear and concise language to ensure that the summary is easy to understand and follow. Here are some resources that may help you with writing a meeting summary. How to Write Effective Meeting Minutes by Reich. This article provides tips on how to write effective meeting minutes, including what to include, how to format them, and how to distribute them. Meeting Minutes Templates and Examples by Microsoft. This page provides several meeting minutes templates and examples that you can use to create your own meeting summary. How to Write Meeting Minutes, Expert Tips, Meeting Minutes Templates, and Sample Meeting Minutes by Smartsheet. This guide provides detailed information on how to write meeting minutes, including tips, templates, and sample meeting minutes. How to Take Minutes at a Board Meeting by Board Effect. This article provides specific tips on how to take minutes at a board meeting, including how to prepare, what to include, and how to distribute the minutes. Meeting Minutes Guide. How to record, summarize, and share your team's discussions by Zapier. This guide provides an overview of meeting minutes, including what they are, why they're important, and how to write them effectively.